Another way you can progress thoracic rotation, extension, and a little bit of side bending is the windmill and half kneeling. What you do here is stick your arm straight out, parallel to the floor, slide your back arm up and over like you're making a rainbow, pause for a breath in and out, cycle back through. And then you can rotate the other way by bringing that front arm up and over your head. If you can, try to stay in contact with the wall the whole time. If you have to modify, you can just bring your arm up off the wall as you come into that twist.